right in the water.
You think so? Dang, that wind took it. Oh, damn it.
Yep. That's gonna play.
Beautifully.
Beauty. Nice.
120 to the fucking pins. It's not that far.
What are you doing after this?
Oh, nothing. Just jerking.
Yeah.
Whoops. I bent my legs mid-shot. Oh, fuck.
Still okay. Green, you gotta get over that mound there.
I know, this guy was a little angry in the morning, wasn't he? Puts it right on the lip of that edge.
Yeah.
Oh no!
Another slicer.
Just got to get up over the ridge on the right, because that's a little scary over there. Let's do this. Sup? Oh shit! Oh, that's rough. I just kept rolling on it. Come on, push it, Win. Push it, push it, push it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nice shot.
Thank you.
On the green. Look at that. Come back down, baby.
Oh, nice.
Come back down. Good stroke. Slow down, baby.
Oh, damn.
The line was real nice.
It was pretty good. If I went a little slower, maybe. Go back. Oh, yeah, let me see.
Oh, you're right with me.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh, it
Kick
came
down.
down. Nice.
A little worried I'm going to go too far with this club.
7?
No, it's pitching wedge.
Oh. You want me to move my bag?
Hmm? Okay, slow down now.
Yeah.
Yeah, who knows?
Yeah. Find out.
Well, I definitely rolled off the back with my pitching wedge. Look how pretty it is out here. And the holes to the right, I really sauced this chip shot, and well, not chip shot. I really sauced this pitching wedge way over here. Back up there. I'm joining you. I'll be right there. This is a nice fluffy line. It should be really easy. This putter's killing me today, eh? Yeah. I'm touching and it's going. And then he draws it. The pin is actually straight ahead. You can see it just on the cusp of that hill at the bottom of the foot there, way in the back. It's kind of far away. I want to do like a nice pitching wedge or a 9, I think. I'm going to do 9. Here. Can't go long, can't go short. Oh, it's so off. There we go, Dustin.
Oh.
I was offline.
Yeah. Would have made it though, I think. Yeah.
Damn, that's gonna be tough.
Funky.
Mean hole. I just got on the lip and then it rolled back. Too much.
Hit it. Hit it.
Stay. Yeah, that's gonna be good.
Oh,
Yeah.
Perfect.
No. Not the shot I wanted, but. Oh no.
Ah, good draw. Curl in, baby.
Not enough though.
Oh yeah.
That's too bad.
So short. That's alright. That's chip the putt.
That works.
Yeah. Might even come back down.
No, no.
Out of there. Oh, baby.
Beautiful. He doesn't need it.
Everyone.
What?